In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Google Merchant Center to Google Ads. This process is essential for anyone who wants to advertise their products effectively on Google Shopping and ensure they reach the right audience. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're new to these platforms, you'll find it straightforward and manageable. First, let's start by navigating to the Google Ads overview page. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Google Ads website. If you aren't already logged in, please do so with your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the overview page where you can manage all your ad campaigns. Next, let's focus on the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Hover your cursor over the tools icon located there. This toolbar is home to various management tools. Once the options appear, you should see a list of different categories and tools aligned vertically. From the tools menu, click on the data manager. The data manager is crucial as it helps you organize and link accounts, which is exactly what we need for integrating Merchant Center with Google Ads. By clicking it, you will delve deeper into the settings where your data and account linkages can be fine-tuned. In the data manager, the next step is straightforward. Locate and click on the Google Merchant Center. The Merchant Center is the hub where all your product feeds are stored and managed, preparing them for Google Shopping campaigns. This step brings up options related to your merchant account settings. Now, it's time to identify your Merchant Center account that you want to link. If you have multiple Merchant Center accounts, ensure you select the correct one that aligns with the products you are planning to advertise. However, if there's only one, it should be selected by default. This step ensures the data flows from the correct merchant account into Google Ads. Finally, you're almost done. The last step involves reviewing and submitting the connection. Double check the details to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click the submit button. This action finalizes the linking process and ensures your product information is now in sync with your ad campaigns. And there you have it, a well-linked Google Merchant Center and Google Ads account in a few easy steps. This connection streamlines your advertising process and enhances your campaign's effectiveness by ensuring that product details are always up to date. If you run into any issues during any of these steps, Google's support resources are a great place to get further help. Thank you for watching, and happy advertising.